In this video, I will guide you how you can activate LycaMobile SIM card. So there are two methods by which you can activate your SIM card. First one is offline mode, which you can simply open up your dial on your mobile device, and then you just need to type 622. Once you do so, you're just gonna need to make sure that you have insert the SIM card before dialing the number. Now the other method is online activation. So you need to simply open up any browser that you are using, and you just need to search for LycaMobile SIM activation. So simply search for this. Once you search for this, you're just gonna need to make sure to click on the first one, which is the official LycaMobile website. Now you will be taken to this particular page where you need to maybe create your account. It's simple and pretty much straightforward. Other than that, you will have to option transfer my old number to Leica, or I want to only activate my Leica SIM. So simply click on I want to only activate my Leica SIM card, and then you need to scroll down and you will have option of activate SIM, which is activate with new Leica mobile number or transferring my existing number to Leica. Now you need to scroll down until you see the options of zip code, SIM number, email address, and PUK code. Then you need to select your particular language. Once you do so, you just need to confirm the captcha, and then you need to scroll down until you see the option of continue, which you can simply click there, and your SIM will be automatically activated online. So that's the way of how you can activate LycaMobile SIM card.